pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
custard tarts. For this recipe I'm using half a pint of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 eggs and some nutmeg. I've already lined a tart tin with shortcrust pastry to the usual recipe. First, beat the eggs. Add the milk and the sugar to a saucepan and bring to the boil. Once boiling, pour over the eggs and stir. Put the custard mix into a jug for easier pouring. Dock the bottom of the tarts, then fill with the custard mix. Grate some nutmeg over the top. Bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 170 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. This recipe cuckoo. I followed it exactly and I'm left with quarter of a pint of milk. I'll have to make some more shortcrust pastry. And now for the taste test. I made some bigger tarts. Let's try this one. They're great. You can taste the egg, not like the supermarket ones. Success. This is one of the small ones I made. I wonder what they're like. Not bad, but not as good as the big ones.